Hey people, I have a pro tip for each and every guy who's looking out for pre-workout, an alternative for pre-workout, who doesn't have budget for pre-workout, or who doesn't want to spend that much money on a pre-workout. So I have a pro tip. I'll be saying you that pro tip at the end of the video, so do watch the whole video. So today I'm going to hit back and bicep. So done doing the warm-up with pull-ups and had a bit of stretching. So now I'll directly head on to the workout. So first workout is lat pull down. And this is the machine. First set is a warm-up set with probably 20 to 15 reps. So I did get a lot of complaints about my audio in the last video, so probably I'm wearing my AirPods and doing that has mic. So let's see how is the audio like today. So hey guys, this guy is Harsha. So here's my workout partner for today. So I'm done with my last pull down, 4 sets full heavy today. So now I'll be doing a superset. One is dumbbell throwing and dumbbell throwing. Plus pull down.
Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. You leave your spot, your girlfriend call me like come on over. I like the way that she treat me, gon' leave you, won't leave me, I call it that Casanova. She said I'm insane, I might blow my brain out. Johnny, I don't pay out. Please, Johnny, make it go away. I committed, I don't need it, but it get control of me. I don't pay that, I can feel it, I swear that it's true to me. Yeah, I don't really care if you cry. Adoration never lies.
Let's go ahead and have a punch. Today the whole day in the gym is really good. I had a floppy workout, so last variation left, that is pizza curls with the machine. The first time I worked out in the gym without wearing a shirt, felt good. So I'll complete this last variation and then we'll talk about the pro tip which I mentioned to say at the end of the workout. And I have some plans after the workout too, so let's see how does everything goes. So McD is nearby my gym, so let's see, I might go to McD. So I guess all you guys know Gymnastics, right? I wanted to share an important tip which he gave in one of his videos. That is, whenever you're doing feature curls, right? Feature curls, try putting the bar, the handle bar, on this part of your muscle, this part of your hand, sorry, not muscle. So put it on this part of your muscle. You will feel the maximum weight going on the muscle you're hitting, the short hit, the peak which you're hitting. So do try this out. It's up to you. You can or you don't. It's up to you. I'm just giving you a tip. Like it might help you. Like the people for all the people whoever are doing pizza curls and they're not feeling the the weight on the muscle you're targeting on. So yeah, just see how am I doing it. So done with the workout. Now, as I said, you had plans after workout. We thought of going to McD. So McD is here. If you guys can see. So it's there. Harsha, podama? Ma'am, bye. Manya. So what are the plans, bro, for today?
Nothing much, bro. We need to go to McD, that's it. I forgot my whey protein, bro. We can't get it in McD, right?
We're not having a cheat, we earned a cheat. Lol, we're not fitness freaks, but still. See you in McD, guys. So what are you ordering, bro?
One classic cold coffee for me. I don't know what about you.
Even I'm ordering the same thing. So my mother tongue is Telugu. I mean regional language is Telugu. So that is the reason it's kind of awkward. We both speaking in English. But still for the vlog's sake we need to. Emanto Shantena?
Yeah. Antera.
Classic cold coffee. Harsha.
Are fucker? Padipote? Are Tilakrana no please.
Classic cold coffee. And
Just normal 2 chicken burgers without cheese.
So I'll have it and I'll meet you while I'm going home. So meet you after the post work, like after I'm done with my small cheat meal. Bye, Harsha.
Bye.
After finishing my workout, I wanted to go to my home back, but my brother wanted to take some sort of sportswear from Decathlon. So yeah, probably it's getting closed. Yeah, he's taking his some t-shirt. So he'll take that off and he'll come out soon. Probably I can't go in because I don't have a mask right now. I don't know even if the allow or no. Let's go try that out. Now the lighting is good, or else I look fucking dark, bro. Problems of having huge hair. Long hair, sorry, not huge. What the fuck, bro? I'm making so many, grammar mistakes. Chill, it happens. मास्क नहीं है, कहाँ पर मिलेगा? कहाँ पर? Here at Decathlon, I need to search my brother. అయిపోయిందా? షర్ట్ లేదా? ఉందా లేదా? షర్ట్ లేదా? Hey, short sleeve ah. Online lo try check mari. They aren't having the shirt in stock, it seems. Fuck, this game. That was fucking embarrassing. I just came in for 5 minutes, not even 5 minutes, hardly 1 minute, and I just came back out. So, as I mentioned, I'm going to give a pro tip at the end of the video. I'm shooting this bit after my outro. So, the pro tip is people, like all the people who wants to take a pre-workout but doesn't want to spend huge amount on expensive pre-workouts and don't want to who can't afford pre-workouts, they can go to a chemist shop, buy an Elagen sachet which is 42 rupees or 41 rupees. Half of the sachet will give you 1 gram to 1.5 gram of Elagen. It depends on brands to brands and everything, but this is the cheapest way. And add off caffeine powder, which is any coffee powder, 5 rupees sachet or 10 rupees mein half 10 rupees sachet, or buy off Nestle. Like that is I feel the caffeine in Nestle, that glass jar is much more higher compared to all these brew and all things. So yeah, this was my pro tip which I want to give all of you guys. But if you want the tingling effect, you will get it through beta-alanine. Beta-alanine, I guess you don't get it in chemist shops, but yeah, if you want to give a shot, if you want to try it out, yeah, please do try it out in chemist shop. That's the intro. Do subscribe, do hit the bell icon, and please like, and please even share my vlog with your friends. And if any of you have any sort of queries about fitness, or you guys need diet plans or anything, you can surely reach out to me in my to my Insta. My Insta handle is Abhi_Chowdhury. You can DM me. I would love to help all of you guys. So yeah, peace out. See you guys tomorrow. Keep grinding till then.